Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the final part of my Tamiya Dancing Rider build series before we get to the upgrades. This part of the series will cover the driver figure as well as putting it on the body and pretty much finishing it up. So for step 30, you'll need these following parts, which I've already painted, and these. This is my driver figure. Take a guess at which 80s cartoon this is modeled after. And there is my Dancing Rider figure. And once again, I don't have all my electronics on here yet, namely the receiver, but when I do, I will clean up all this wiring. And that completes step 30. So for the LiPo battery, I'm going to be using this Aeromax 2S 3200 milliamp LiPo. It's a 100C/50C, and then once again it's 2S 3200 milliamp. And it's made specifically for the proportions of a Tamiya Dancing Rider. In order to use this LiPo, you're going to have to remove this tray here, this inner tray on the battery tray. With this inner tray removed, I should now be able to fit this LiPo. As you can see, the LiPo now fits in the compartment. It's pretty snug. The only thing I'd be concerned with is to make sure that nothing punctures the LiPo. For step 31, these are mainly parts to attach LEDs to the Dancing Rider, and let me kind of show you that step. I don't currently have LEDs, so I will be skipping this step for now. I might revisit it later, and if I do, I'll put it in a later part of the series. So for right now, we're going to skip to step 32. And for step 32, Before we start, I'll just note that I've already painted the body. I've used Tamiya PS30 Brilliant Blue, and I've backed it inside with Tamiya PS5 Black. Before we continue with step 32, I'm going to apply some of these decals from the decal sheet here. Alright, just a quick look at the electronics that I've temporarily put in here. The Hobbywing 1060 I am permanently keeping in here, and for the time being I am using a FlySky GT5 or Turnigy GT5 receiver. It's actually the same thing as the FlySky. It's a rebranded FlySky. It's the Turnigy GT5 transmitter right here, and I'll put a link to this in the description below. But it is a FlySky system. So, also getting to the body, I've put some of the decals on, or at least the ones that I want to put on that are included with the kit. I still do have a few more decals that I want to put on, but not the ones from the Tamiya kit. I am going for a theme here, as you can tell by my driver. See if you can figure it out. It's from the 80s. But here's the body, and we'll continue on with step 32. For step 32, you'll need the following. That completes step 32, and that also completes this Tamiya Dancing Rider build series. Nice quick look. I look forward to start upgrading this shortly. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.